Hello all, I am Dr. Gayathri, an educational therapist. I am the founder of Flourishing Kids and I work with kids having learning difficulties. Today we are going to discuss about two modes of thinking. What are the two modes of thinking? They are diffused mode and focused mode. Every time when we think, we always think that there is only one mode, focused mode. You have to completely be focused, right? So let's see what they both are and how can we effectively use them in learning. First thing, the focused mode. That is the mode when you're learning something, when you're in the classroom, when you're reading some textbook, you're completely into it. The focused mode. The same thing when you're playing a video game. You have your complete focus onto it. The next mode is the diffused mode. It is the mode of thinking when you're actually relaxed. You're free. You are not concentrating onto it any particular thing. That time the diffused mode of thinking starting. The main thing here is both focused mode and diffused mode doesn't work together. It's like the both sides of the coin. Either you be in focused mode or you be in diffused mode. So why we should know about these two modes of thinking? Many times people think that we have to be in focused mode only. You have to completely focus into it. Students, they start reading it, they think that we have to continuously read it for 2 hours or 3 hours, however long they are into that. Yes, we always think that come on, completely focus into this concept. But focused mode is efficient only when you change with your diffused mode of thinking. Diffused mode of thinking is when your creativity starts coming out. You are relaxed and your brain starts thinking in other ways which is not usually in the focused mode. Some other parts of the brain are triggered when you're in the diffused mode of thinking. There is an effect called Einstein effect. It is a simple thing. When you're trying to solve a problem, you always focus on a specific angle and you're not ready to accept the other modes because you're not going away from it. You're going only in the focused mode. Maybe there are some better solutions, better strategies in which we can approach the problem, but you're still into the same mode and then you're not utilizing your brain properly. So what we can do? How can we make this diffused mode of thinking into our learning? So take a small walk, right? For a small minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. Take a small jog or just try to go away from the activity which you're doing for a short brief period of time and then come and completely focus. You will be able to be fresh and you will start thinking more. Maybe you get more ideas also. This is the same thing I always suggest to students. When you're planning your study schedule or your study hours, don't completely focus like you have to read for 3 hours, you have to do it for 5 hours. Split it up. You have to split it up and give time, give some break for relaxation. Give a small brief period of 5 minutes after a 30 minutes reading, then come back and start reading. You would be completely into the focused mode. So let's start using both these modes of thinking, focused and diffused mode of thinking, so that we become efficient in our learning. This concept is actually discussed by Barbara Oakley on learning how to learn. Happy learning. Thank you all.